Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's talk about how to enable two-factor authentication on Trim. Two-factor authentication is an extra layer of security that makes sure that only you can access your Trim account. If someone else has your password, even if someone else has your password, you're not going to be able to log in without bypassing your two-factor authentication, which is essentially impossible for them to do. So, let's get started. Start by opening the Trim app and logging in. Once you're on the main dashboard, tap on the menu icon that's in the top left or top right corner of the screen and then go to Settings. In the Settings menu, look for the option labeled Security or Two-Factor Authentication and then tap on it. Trim will ask you to enter your current password for verification. So once that's done, it's going to give you the option to enable two-factor authentication. You'll typically have two choices. You can use SMS, where Trim is going to send you a code to your phone each time you log in, or you could use Authenticator app. You can use apps like Google Authenticator or Audi to generate codes. Just go ahead and choose your preferred method and follow the on-screen instructions. If you choose SMS, Trim is going to send you a verification code, so go ahead and enter that code to confirm. If you selected an authenticator app, scan the QR code provided by Trim using your app and then input the code that's generated. Once set up, Trim will require a second code whenever you log in, keeping your account extra safe. Now, every time you sign in, you'll have that extra layer of protection and you don't have to worry about somebody getting your password. That's pretty much it. And in the next video, I'm going to show you how to reset your Trim password in case you ever forget it. But that's pretty much it for this one, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you in the next one.